How to add video animation or video effects using the VN Video Editor app. So if you're working with one video clip or multiple video clips and you want that video clip starts off by playing with a video animated effect, you will select the video clip in the bottom area here, which is the timeline. Just make sure it's selected. Then go to FX. FX gives you certain types of video animation effects. And each one of these will give you a set duration and it tells you what type it is. Now you can go about navigating through these different categories here and you can see that each of them has the time duration on them. So for example, if I select the RGB one, this one is going to be 1 second and they all have just different amounts of time that will play in terms of the animation. Okay, so this one is 1.20 seconds, the spin one. Most of these are free, so you don't have to worry about having the paid version. And of course, if you're working with multiple video clips, you can go with apply all. So just for demonstration purposes, once this one is applied and I press play, you will see how it has the video effect animation there. Now let's just say we want to add a video overlay here. So I'll go ahead and add a video overlay by tapping here. And then we want to go to this option here to add a video overlay. And maybe I want to add this one here or this one here. Once this one is inserted, depending on where I place it or how I go about having it appear on my video, let's say I want this one to appear as a video with an animated effect. So maybe I place it here and make sure it's selected by tapping on it, and then you go to FX. And when you do this, the FX is going to be applied to the video overlay here. So if I go with the spin one here, you can see it gives that spin effect. And then same again, when you play it, you'll get that spin effect. All right. Now that's basically it. Of course, you can always use undo to undo any wrong FX or go ahead and replace it. And that's it for this guide here. Like and sub.